This video looks at using NoodleTools. To access NoodleTools, go to the library webpage and select NoodleTools. There you will need to select the Access NoodleTools button. From here you will need to sign up for a new account or link to a previously created account. Once you've done that, by logging into Microsoft 365, you will be able to access NoodleTools directly. You will now need to create a new project. Go to the upper right-hand corner and select New Project. There you will have to create a project title, select a citation style and level. For level, you will always need to do Advanced. You've created a folder for your new project. Remember, when you go back to access this project, go back to the academic year in which it was created. Now that the project is set up, we can add sources by importing them directly from the database using the Quick Cite feature, which involves cutting and pasting, and entering information into a template. To import a citation directly from a database, look for the Cite or Citation button, usually found at the top. It will provide you a citation. Choose the appropriate format that you need, and then export the record into NoodleTools. You will now see a dialog box. From that box, go to the drop-down menu at the bottom and select your project from the options that are listed. Once you have done that and import it, you should have an indication at the top that the record has been imported. You can now return to the main screen of NoodleTools. There you will see that a record has been added to your project list. You can open up your project list and see the citation of that record. While this process will look different in each individual database, essentially the steps you go through will be the same. This process works for just about every database in the library. For those databases where you can't import a record, you can use the Quick Cite feature. Let's look at PubMed Central for this process. From the record you'd like to add to NoodleTools, find the Cite button, select it, then choose your format and copy the record. From your NoodleTools project, select New Source. Then tell the system the type of source that you're adding. Here we're doing a journal article. Then select the Quick Cite button and paste the citation into the dialog box. Save it, and you will see that the citation has been added to your NoodleTools project. The final way to create a citation is to enter information into a template. Let's do this for a web page. You'll commonly have to. Select New Source from your project and then tell the system what type of source you're adding. Once you do that, you will be given the template, and then I would start cutting and pasting from the article the necessary information. The system will even help you do so in the right format. Once you do that, make sure you save the template. Let's now produce a document for our Works Cited page. Select the download icon from the top of the page and then select Print or Export to Word. Once you've done that, tell it you want all your sources included and submit. There, the document will be downloaded. Retrieve the document and you can either save it or print it. These are just the basics of NoodleTools. You can also add annotations, attachment, create note cards, and have help with in-text citations. For additional help, see the library's guide for using NoodleTools from the NoodleTools area on the library webpage.